Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is, an express train is running between two stations with a uniform speed. If the diameter of each wheel of the train is 42 centimeter and each wheel makes 1200 revolutions per minute, find the speed of the train. So what we need to find the speed. Speed is distance upon time. So we need to find the distance first. The time is per minute. How much distance it has covered in per minute. So here what is given? Given is revolutions per minute is given 1200 revolutions per minute. Now we know distance covered in one revolution. What is the distance covered in one revolution? It's the circumference. Okay, so whatever is the measurement of the circumference, that is the distance covered in one revolution. So circumference is pi into d. So that is the distance covered in one revolution. Pi is 22/7 and d is here 42. That is 132 centimeter. So we got the distance covered in one revolution. So now the train is making how many revolutions? The wheel is making 1200 revolution per minute. So we will find distance covered in 1200 revolutions. So we'll find the distance covered in 1200 revolution. That will be 132 into 1200. That is 158400 centimeter. Right? Now this distance is in centimeter and speed is generally in kilometer per hour or meter per second. So we will find it in kilometer per hour. So here the distance in kilometer. We will change the distance centimeter into kilometer. That is 158400. Now we will see how to change it. Milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. This is centimeter. We have to go down, so we will divide 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will divide by these many 100,000 by 100,000. So this zero get cancelled and 3 zeros means 1.584 kilometer. Now this distance is covered in per minute. 1200 revolution was made in per minute. So in 1 minute the distance covered in 1 minute is 1.584 kilometer. This is point. Okay. So now we will find speed. Speed is distance upon time. So we will change the time 1 minute into hours. When minute changes into hour, we divide by 60. So these many hour, time is 1/60 hour. So speed is, what is the speed? 1.584 divided by 1/60. So 60 goes up. Fine. That is, I'll show you once again. What was that? That was 1.584 1/60. Right? This is distance and this is time. So distance is 1.584, 1 down and 60 goes up. So this is 1.584 multiplied by 60. That is 95.04 kilometer per hour. So how we got the speed? We found the distance covered in 1200 revolution with the help of distance covered in one revolution. Change that centimeter to kilometer. And the time is what? Time is 1 minute, which is given. 1200 revolutions were made in 1 minute. Converted that into hour and then put it in the formula of speed is equal to distance upon time. In place of distance we wrote 1.584 and in place of time we wrote 1/60. So this is how we got the speed of the train.